Dan Maitland, I'm the fleet manager for AJAX Paving, and I'm excited to have SAKAI on the job site today to show us their Guardman technology.
The Guardman technology utilizes millimeter radar, 2 in the front and 2 in the rear, to detect objects either in the front or the back of the roller, providing visual and audio feedback to the operator on the fly, as well as having the ability to slow the inertia down on the roller itself as it's approaching an object either in the front or rear, and the hydraulics have the ability to actually stop the roller in a safety position.
One of the features that we're excited about on these SAKAI rollers is the audible alarm feature, which starts off quiet at first, depending on how close you get to your object, and will begin to get louder and more frequent, and in a sense gives your operator a sense of just how close or how acute the situation is. Nobody wants something to just stop on a dime, hard break out of nowhere. So this kind of allows you to gauge the situation audibly first, and then the machine will start to do its job automatically braking if for some reason the operator is not on the controls or distracted for any reason.
The guys are using the new safety equipment. Again, it's really easy to use. They feel safer out here knowing that the machine is also going to stop them if they're getting too close to equipment, people, anything around.
The Guardman technology has been out in Japan for about 4 to 5 years. Bringing this system to the United States, we had to adapt the technology, and collaborating with AJAX, we designed an Echelon Mode, which is now incorporated for a different paving pattern that we see in North American market.
In Echelon Mode, when 2 rollers are running together, they seem to be able to keep their distance from each other and keep a consistent rolling pattern as they're going and not having to adjust on the fly.
In Echelon Mode, what we're excited about is the audible alarm and the actual scope of sensitivity lessens, so you're not inundating your operator with excessive beeping and noises. And as we all know, on a job site, too many alarms and beeping might have the opposite effect of the safety results that you're looking for. So you want to have alarms when you need them, and you want to desensitize when you don't. So what's great about having a partner like SAKAI in the industry is we can collaborate using feedback from real life situations and requesting design features. And I think that's part of the reason we got here today, is just looking for a safety feature that can help keep our guys safe, yet keep production moving forward and keeping the quality where we need it.